Alright, hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock websites on Chrome browser. So first of all, just go on these three dots on top right corner, click on settings. Here, go to privacy and security and click on security. Scroll down and just click on this drop down and select Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Now go back, again go on privacy and security, click on site settings. Alright, here click on view permissions and data stored across site, and you can just click on delete all data, and if you have any precious data stored on site, just look for the specific website you want to unblock. Alright, so I'm going to type www.youtube.com. okay, now you have to find it over here, youtube.com. just click on it, just click on this arrow, and here click on reset permissions, click on reset and click on delete data. Alright, now the next step is just click on this jigsaw puzzle piece on top right corner, click on manage extensions. Alright, here make sure all the extensions are off, and then again try to open your site. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.